Omo hwe ya.
Nigeria.
Genetro be sa be show mu uyo horum. You Genetro is your former manager.
Yeah.
He will come back
for the Pamon.
He will come back and beat them at Uyo. Someone hwe Rich. Yesterday, Benin did their job. Nigeria did their job. But South African team tomorrow. Rani Yuzu.
Who go Bruce?
The Jumana did. The Jumana Rani.
But South African Casson. I don't know. Minimum at the frontier, a country like South Africa.
Yeah.
I'm still some none no minimum. Said, yeah, they be almost throw me. Sahania man almost for don't qualify player me at 2 points.
18 manager. 18 manager for no. So when your team manager, Papa, that's what happens.
Because all of a sudden, they say, I'm walk up ambition, you know. As I had to show me, all of a sudden, because before I enter my points, you know. I'm in Nigeria against and come share Saturday now and can no one and can catch you with or more qualify a couple walk up. I said, you're my do level. Is it almost that's in show me send you? Almost I don't calculate.
My last game, Bloemfontein.
Only the mom or master no cry. So you're a group, man. I think Zimbabwe and Mina didn't album games or South Africa.
I saw many South African countries. Lesotho, Zimbabwe, all of them.
Don't now bomb games, no, and to almost there. No more upper hand at the check countries there where you mean now. So, me, I know what's at the point. No, we here just a win. Again, Nigeria now come to qualify. I said, baby, Omodu.
Which
now be a good boys in so. On one Niger. I'll be a good. Yeah, Nigeria.
And now,
I do,
but no Musifo.
But still, not enough. Maybe all Casa
14 points. And in Nigeria for 14 points.
Okay.
South Africa 15 points. Benin was 17 points. Because Benin share South Africa ball draw Nigeria we need. Before another game, no. Now Nigeria was 11 points. And I've been more on them. So what it means is that Benin last game all against Nigeria. Benin just have to avoid defeat to qualify. Now South Africa be biano, it won't be enough for them. Then South Africa Empire say Nigeria ain't Benin because already the border Benin ko. Nigeria ain't Benin will yo. No South Africa so nye Lesotho nwajuma. Na afi don fa Hong Kong. Now why was Nigeria want to beat Benin? Because second place teams no qualify. Nigeria have 14 points. So Otiminia 3 points make 17. 17 Obeko ahead in terms of head to head and goal difference against Benin.
Okay.
Don't know Benin second. So South Africa so sharp. Next South Africa automatic. Then Nigeria will run with the second place on them. Rich. Watch it there. Edru video that's Nigeria. It's not even Zimbabwe for normally South Africa for the same neighbors. We are friends. Well, no, Rich. We 0-0. 0-0.
Yeah, no, money.
Hey,
if you do say football, you're already using your casa but look, Sunday man, I can't be you. What does mean you freeze? So dinkobo.
Yeah, but I like the fact that the professionalism is doing well.
At
least Zimbabwe for no metias. Yes, obet me do come. Yeah, obet me do come there. But
Zimbabwe niti. Kofi say. Yeah, Zimbabwe on 4 points in your
fine, no problem. But the integrity of the game for me and run, I like it. I like the fact that Zimbabwe for this.
How soon am I South Africa? What do bufu omo efido?
Say
I did you. At a point now, you is able to qualify. And you have a points. Yamiadum, your countries be already no more good rapport.
Yeah.
And see, Yen common Yen can't jump a charmer for. I dare no Nanka first and the engineer him, but he said, yeah, baby, I do need him
as a move boy.
Mumwe Kaka. Oh, no, Musmunya be Kaka. Oh, Cassan and no, at the hall, I did go Nomiana.
Did you go away?
Did you go a comfortable who?
Oh, I said, did you go the other now? You partners now for it, and now
because me and say, no, me expect to send us South Africa for baby Sagi.
Oh, yeah, I was expecting that all of them.
Go to them, so much.
Yeah, and now, Hugo Bruce say, Now it's no longer in our hands. It becomes even more difficult now. It's not 100% lost. We might also need a miracle. It's a sad night for us. Hey, South Africa. We are the last time Bobo Pan here. We are South African can be now. Nigeria managed to win the game by 2-1. No more point going out park in Fifi bomb and I'm saying. Yeah, mobile bompire. That will be a catch and was a Bafana.
Me Nigeria, a man called up and Nipa Bako and Bet Nasam Bemia.
Chairman,
every 2 cement. A branch of home. So, what's the TV at you now, Henna? In a passion.
Yeah.
How dedicated are you? A man named my Nigeria, no. So, a man called up and be a Bemia.
Which in the Nigerians, they have quality.
Nigeria no more players.
More quality, a lot of quality.
Almost players,
all across.
Minimum the good year.
Eric Shelley, no go for the barrier. I like the look of
Kevin Bassi, Ola Aina.
All the
quality players. I Kevin Bassi bought Obama Fulham. Oh, Premier League.
Shea Jayemuni are top players. Ademola Lukman, the reigning African
player of the year.
As the previous one, you know,
Victor Osimhen former Wafa.
Yeah.
Also African player of the year.
Yeah. But still, the
Beninois
are doing a good job. Say Genet Road to me the Benin called Kappa. Maybe okay, says I think that's Stephen Keshi at the Benin Sukoy. No, Stephen Keshi at the Togo, right? Togo, I think Togo. Keshi took Togo. So that is going to be another big African story. If Genet Road a year with Benia, because that side of West Africa rich. Only the big boys. The Togolese are not the big boys in West African football and folklore. The Beninois are not. Ghana, Nigeria, the Ivorians, we are the big boys. But if you're able to take Benin to the World Cup, that is going to be a big story for the Beninois national team. And now, I must start some Rizzi, Papa, a friend of Genet Road. These are the official permutations, Michelle. Nigeria now Ghana now Thierry, come on, baby.
TikTok, one Nigerian journalist be or your presentation. Now presentation or in a calculator than in chain. And now also the various scenarios are or Nigeria group which is group C, you know. Or scenarios in a bit me ama Nigeria so bit me qualify or no so me qualify. No to me check yours boy my minyai.
So on the final match day, Benin will qualify for the World Cup should they win against Nigeria. Full stop.
Okay.
Benin,
and here the first scenario.
Second one, Benin could qualify with a draw should South Africa fail to win against Rwanda. It is South Africa for no draw with Rwanda. Away from Oma. Then Benin will go through. South Africa will qualify for the World Cup should they defeat Rwanda and Benin lose to Nigeria. Nigeria will qualify should they defeat Benin and South Africa fail to win against Rwanda. Nigeria will need to beat Benin by 3 or more goals. In fact.
Nigeria pass Benin 3.
Benin for the moment show 3.
Me say game Nigeria beat me win. But that goals margin, a bedding.
And a bit tough for her.
Very, very tough. Very, very, very tough. Because Benin for now, me coach, but I know it's a game no. On my approach in the first 20 minutes, no so I'm set back. No man should Nigerians in a kakra. Then Nigeria for no ball na because Nigeria for no epic goals.
Yeah.
It almost started demanding them, but try say bombarded with make crazy chances no much goals, you know. The Bema Nigerians never brand them. We are no matter goals. That will be the game plan.
One group B.
Senegal for the Nana.
Only DR Congo. Say no, and no million Yako share. And now Senegal Tinefi, Echo Okwawe, Echo South Sudan. And yet, Kosia Sudan or South Sudan, Oko Khartoum, Kobom 5-0. And DR Congo so Kwawe against Togo. Etia. Let's board 1-0 at Tamaswaku. It is the Yako Senegal for 21 points. And DR Congo for 19 points. Let us not forget, Zaire at the time, DR Congo was the first African country south of the Sahara to go to the World Cup. It's the World Cup, it is their birthright. Maybe 7-1, all of those things. That is why they've not gotten to where they had to get. Which 21-19 points. One more match day to go. Senegal airborne the last match. Which for Senegal beshe.
Senegal boy.
Senegal beshe. I want to cross check the team that they are playing. Senegal beshe. Because immediately Senegal dia Congo for next year. Na DRC for no Senegal beshe omo no. I knew that was going to be a big problem for them. And Sudan is out. Kwesi Appiah and Mignacio Sefo did a very good job, but not enough. Even best second place team, but congratulations, good job done by them. Togo also fourth, Mauritania.
Okay, our group number Tuesday.
Yeah.
And group number.
Yeah.
DR Congo Babo Sudan.
Because you are Sudan.
Aye, 7 p.m. Now Senegal and so at Mauritania.
Senegal better if you Mauritania.
Aye.
Agbena.
Bafana.
Oh, Senegal. Senegal.
Dia Congo dia Omana.
Omo if you share Senegal.
Omo Senegal be show na na.
Ona na problem you see.
World Cup na IBB.
Dia Congo, dia Senegal for no ko. Senegal for no ko. Then yeah match and of course oko group Ivory Coast group so omo ne Gabon. Ivory Coast so 23 points, Gabon no 22 points.
And Aubameyang 4 goals.
So away. No Aubameyang ibo no nyaibo. And in the 9 games that Ivory Coast have won, we need 7, we draw me, we concede 0 throughout the group. Ivory Coast in concede, but MS5. After winning the AFCON for them, the team is in blessing for marriage. Yeah, say that Ivorian players these days on the European market, but they are doing their job, doing a very very good job. And now, like you said, almost say she sells 7 goals to 0, and now Aubameyang. And so any Gabon, it's nephew, almost away from home, Uncle winning game against Gabon, which shall I say, Gambia for player friend Yakuba Mente, Obama Brighton and Hove Albion, and none of share first go no, Emma team friend Gambia, but Aubameyang can change the maza.
And so
you know, Pierre America Aubameyang, or Bobo the year almost share 4 goals, which was send the red card till last game no movie. There's officially Gabon for the theatre. What's the 4 goals?
I can't say World Cup.
It is I don't need red card. Yeah, Pierre America Aubameyang, and the Iranian Juba. Games never cost so. This is how it's going to look like, especially for Nyami Admochina. Senior games very, very, very interesting, especially so Gabon group, Cape Verde group, Nigeria group. Very, very interesting set of games. And about Gabon airborne the last game, and of course Ivory Coast airborne the last game. I think it's Ivory Coast Beko.
Okay.
Ivory Coast Beko. Ivory Coast will go through. So I can see Egypt, Senegal. This place I don't know group C there, but I'm picking Benin. I want Benin to go. Presses South Africa for the neck na Mujambra.
Okay.
Now on the other side, Abu Verde automatically are going to go through as well. Morocco are there, Ivory Coast, Algeria, Tunisia, and then Nyami Adama Sunday.
Oh, you say they are qualified.
I didn't almost say just say you lose by 9 goals to 1 when you see. So Nigeria for now start taking care of it. Abianca, iPhone, Comoros wait my machine basis.
Comoros the Black Star team see grab woman to me 9.
Oh, machine basis. Aye.
Enti mamimo infama Nigeria for now. I'm say still na the team qualify. You know amanga. You know omunti agwa.
Black Stars form now are picking on. I know what thing. Anna Jordan and you now with Gina Hono Baba Ballon d'Or. Now Mbappe Vinicius win that baby. Your team in our bows is Central Africa. Yeah, World Cup na eba your group no mama is Spain, Portugal, Mum Komuma Poland near you na FIFA you be jamu. Cause you near break. Ya bobo, Juba, Obia Sabi. Yeah, Germany, they said John, Serbia, Germany, yeah, the top teams. Ghana, yeah, far gone.
Auntie, Nigeria for no, Nigeria for mutation, no, yeah, they are far gone. That are ranting, yeah, it's a 99.99999%. Say, you better qualify for your 5th World Cup. Inti, when you know, honey, or could you, your chin foot through.